Good morning. We're out, ready for the drive today. We pulled up to the gas station, getting filled up real quick before we pull out. We're going on some pretty fun canyon roads today. Oh shit. Just pulling up. Oh, it's my mom. Right?
Gets you good shots, I guess. You still have that on there.
We're at the rendezvous point essentially, so we're just gonna meet up because we were like, let's not drive all the way down the hill just to come all the way back up. So we're waiting here, we're waiting for the crew. They're gonna come popping out of the canyon here, and then we're just gonna go up this way, and we're gonna go to some really fun roads out there. I'm gonna keep you guys in the mouth for the drive, and we're gonna see what kind of cool stuff we can get with the new GoPro setup. But yeah, we're looking really good out here. Let's go! We got the crew! Fucking back tired.
Dude, I feel so lied to. Why is it cheaper up here?
Really?
Oh, what?
Oh my god!
You said 8.
I thought, you know, it's Forest Hill, right? It should
There
be
goes Joey.
Dude, what?
What?
Good morning, sir.
Dude, we did it. We're going.
We made it.
Gosh,
We're finally
ascending.
back up here. Look at this
We're
color
ascending.
scheme. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, let me get my big head out of there. Dang, this Mclaren.
I know, this is Brian's new one. This is what he traded the C8 for, I'm pretty sure. He got the, he picked this one up. Yeah. Brian's is sick. Oh, I love the yellow. The yellow is so good.
Gosh, that's gnarly.
It's pretty sexy. I love the wing. He's got like the Vorsteiner wing.
I wish mileage C6 with an LS3 is like 25, 30 grand. So.
Hey, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
Sex.
Ah.
This guy fucked.
This guy fucks.
Like a hurricane? Forget it.
Tell her what's up, tell her what's up, tell her what's on. Yeah, nigga better turn me up, 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 nigga better turn me up. Let's go. I told my shawty that we lit, niggas they put up with sticks, me and my niggas we hit, niggas they making me sick. Okay, shawty in my head, I don't do no red. Told her hop up in his bed, heard that nigga he a
Feel
fed.
it in my system, coming to my head. In this life of mine, I just wanna see you dead. Making all this money on my boss shit. Yeah, everything I do, I keep a profit. Go. Niggas out like hoes tryna gossip. Man, what you talking about? Meet me outside tryna mosh pit. Bro, I got the stick tryna blitz shit. Body on the ground, it's a wig split. Yeah, ride around the town with a cooling kit. Yeah, they can fuck with me, the chopper hit your block. Oh, talking shit, we fuck around and get your pop. Yeah, pick him up and throw him, watch his body drop.
Capping button, blink, sticks, mix, chips, clips.
Want some ice cream?
Maybe. She's a fucking pig. That's what we always talk about. She's a piggy. Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy.
Yeah, that's so funny.
Is she fat? Is that why?
Yeah, she's big boned.
You know,
I'm holding the trunk. That was my job.
you know, some people are big boned. I'm what they call no skin.
Oh, I was behind that the whole drive.
All right, get the trunk. All right. Holy shit.
Damn, that's hit me.
I waited all my life for this. They told me that I won't make it.
We used to say, yeah, we used to say.
I want to ride with him on the way back. That's true. They kind of sound a little bit like a Dyson, but that's okay. You're good to go whenever.
Big steps. Fuck around with us, big steps.